Phonological awareness is about understanding sounds, how sounds make words, and how words can be broken down into sounds. Alliteration, rhyming, blending, segmenting, and manipulation are taught under phonological awareness. Today we will focus on manipulation and the 9 different ways these counters and the sound boxes help students visualize sounds. Here, this set of cards is adding a beginning sound to create new words. And teacher holds these cards and gives directions. Students need not see them because they are manipulating sounds using sound boxes and counters, and they're not using alphabet or letters because this is phonological awareness and not phonics. So let's try a few cards on our own. Say the word. Teachers will say this to students. Say the word pot. Students repeat pot. Now segment pot. Because we are adding a sound in the beginning, let students keep this blank and start using segmenting from the second box. So segment pot, p, a, t, pot. Add s in the beginning. Now say the word s, p, a, t, spot. Say the word rain. Children repeat rain. Segment rain. Rain. Add d in the beginning. Now say the word drain. Say the word win. Win. Add t in the beginning. Now say the word twin. Say the word in. Children repeat in. Segment in. In. Add the in the beginning. Now say the word thin. Say the word lush. Children repeat lush. Segment lush. Lush. Add b in the beginning. Now say the word blush. Say the word rain. Children repeat rain. Segment rain. Rain. Add b in the beginning. Now say the word brain. Say the word tore. Children repeat tore. Segment tore. Tore. Add s in the beginning. Now say the word store. Say the word log. Children repeat log. Segment log. O, a, g. Log. Add k in the beginning. Now say the word k, o, a, g. Clog. And children will complete all these with the help of teacher. All these cards are designed for our early childhood teachers, but I can definitely share these with you if you send an email.